Hello students, now we will talk about why adolescents indulge into drug and alcohol abuse under the chapter 8 Human Health and Disease. Adolescence is both a period and a process during which a child becomes mature in terms of his or her attitudes and beliefs for effective participation in society. Individuals of 12 to 18 years of age are said to be adolescents. In other words, adolescence is a bridge between childhood and adulthood. Adolescence is accompanied by several biological and behavioral changes which are taking place in the body of an individual at a very fast pace. Adolescence thus is a very vulnerable phase of mental and psychological development of an individual. Why do adolescents indulge into drug or alcohol abuse? Curiosity, need for adventure, excitement, and experimentation are the most common causes which motivate the youngsters towards drug and alcohol use. It is child's natural curiosity that motivates him to experiment. So this is complicated further by effects that might be perceived as benefits of alcohol or drug use. So when the child uses it for the first time, it may be out of curiosity or experimentation. But later on, the child may start using it to combat different types of problems he is facing in his life. Of late, an individual may also take it to relieve stress. There could be different types of stresses in life of an adolescent, like excellence in academics or examinations, which play a very significant role in persuading the youngsters to start taking drugs and alcohol. Another perception among youth is to look cool. They think that to smoke or use drugs and alcohols is a very cool practice, and this is in fact promoted by televisions, movies, newspapers, and internets. On the other hand, one of the other factor which influences or motivates an individual for indulging into drug and alcohol abuse is the peer pressure. Other thing which could also make the child to take a drug or alcohol is unstable or unsupporting family structures. To avoid such circumstances, the child will go and start taking drugs or alcohol so that he is relieved from the various problems of his life. How drug or alcohol causes addiction? Now, what is a addiction? Addiction is a psychological attachment to certain effects such as euphoria and temporary feeling of well-being. This will drive the person to take them even when he is not requiring that, or when he even knows that this thing is going to create lot of trouble for him, or the drugs or the alcohols become self-destructive for that particular person. Even then he doesn't stop to take up this. With repeated use of drugs, the tolerance levels of the receptors which are present in our body will increase. Consequently, the receptors will respond only to higher doses of drugs or alcohols. That is, by time the receptors will start demanding higher doses of drugs or alcohols, which will lead to greater intake by the person and thereby leading to the addiction of that particular drug or alcohol. However, it should be clearly borne in mind that use of these drugs even once can cause addiction. The addictive potential of drugs and alcohol pull the user into vicious circle leading to their regular use or abuse, from which he or she may find it very difficult to get out. Along with that, number of other bad practices could also be followed by the user. In the absence of guidance or counseling, the person get addicted and become dependent on their use. When a person is heavily dependent on certain drug or some alcohol, his body abruptly responds to the withdrawal of such kinds of drugs or alcohol. This is known as withdrawal syndrome. It includes anxiety, shakiness, nausea, sweating. It can be severe, and it could also cause the death of the user. So such person may need medical supervision also. The drug has not to be abruptly withdrawn from the body. Rather, its doses should be gradually decreased so that the person does not suffer from withdrawal syndrome of that particular drug or alcohol. What are the various effects of drug or alcohol use? The immediate effects of this abuse includes reckless behavior, vandalism and violence. It could also cause coma and death of the person who is taking it due to respiratory failure, heart failure or cerebral hemorrhage. A combination of drugs or their intake along with alcohol generally results in overdosing and even deaths. The most common warning signs of drug and alcohol abuse among youths include drop in academic performance, unexplained absence from school or college. The individual prefers isolation. There could be change in sleeping and eating habits. The user may lack interest in personal hygiene as well. He may lose his interest in hobbies also. Moreover, if he don't get money to buy the drugs or alcohol, he or she may start stealing money also. This may become the cause of mental and financial distress to his friends and families. Along with that, if the person is administering the drugs intravenously, he is having a high chance of getting serious infections like AIDS and hepatitis B virus. The use of alcohol during adolescence may also have long-term effects. It could lead to heavy drinking in adulthood. The chronic use of drugs and alcohol will damage the nervous system of the person and may also causes damage to liver or cirrhosis of liver. If a pregnant woman is taking alcohol, his newborn could be born with a problem that is called as fetal alcohol syndrome. Another misuse of drugs is done by sports person to enhance their performance. Narcotic analgesics, anabolic steroids, diuretics and certain hormones are used or abused by sports persons to increase their muscle strength and bulk, to promote aggressiveness, and as a result to increase their athletic performance. Use of these drugs can cause serious side effects in females and male sports persons. These include, for example, in females, masculinization, features like males, increased aggressiveness, mood swings, depression, abnormal menstrual cycles, excessive hair growth on the face and body, enlargement of clitoris, deepening of voice, etc. The side effects of using such drugs in males includes acne, increased aggressiveness, mood swings, depression, reduction in the size of testicles, decreased sperm production, potential for kidney and liver dysfunction, breast enlargement, premature baldness, enlargement of the prostate gland. These effects may become permanent with prolonged use. In the adolescent male or female, severe facial and body acne and premature closure of the growth centers of the long bones may result in stunted growth of the individual. How can one prevent and control drug and alcohol abuse? The first one is avoid undue peer pressure. If your friend or somebody is forcing you to take a particular drug, say a big no to him. and you can also talk to your teachers, your family members also. Look for danger signs. Look around and see whether some person is showing some warning signs of these abuse or not. And if you see so, get it or bring it to the notice of parents or teachers, or best interest of the person concerned. Education and counseling of the child can be done. So this will help the child to channelize his energy into healthy pursuits like sports, reading, music, yoga, and other extracurricular activities. Seeking professional and medical help. A lot of help is available in the form of highly qualified psychologists, psychiatrists, and de-addiction and rehabilitation programs to help the individuals who have unfortunately got in this drug or alcohol abuse. Along with the sufficient efforts and willpower, an individual can get rid of this problem completely and can lead a perfectly normal and healthy life. The use of drugs is highly dangerous, so therefore one should avoid drug addiction. They should say a big no to drugs. I hope children you have got the idea of drug addiction and alcohol abuse. Now let's answer some questions. What is meant by drug abuse? What is withdrawal syndrome? List any 2 symptoms by which it is characterized. Why are adolescents considered the most vulnerable group to drug addiction? How can drug abuse be prevented and controlled? Thank you, everyone.